Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube because theme settings attach to your account or device. Once signed in, click your profile icon, then choose Appearance or Dark Theme from the menu. Select Dark Theme to force the black interface, or choose Use Device Theme to match system-wide dark mode. Make sure the change applies immediately. If not, try toggling it off and on once. This step creates the necessary state, so the rest of the process is consistent across pages and sessions. If YouTube still shows light, adjust your browser and device because site themes can follow system or browser preferences. Turn on System Dark Mode in Windows or Mac OS, or enable Dark Theme in Android/iOS settings, then open YouTube. If that fails, use Browser Appearance Settings or a trusted dark mode extension to override styles. Once done, clear cache or reload and sign out, then sign back in so cookies update. These steps resolve conflicts between site, browser, and OS theme layers. Finish by checking several YouTube pages and playing a video to confirm the black theme persists. Also test in incognito to isolate extensions. If visuals are inconsistent, disable extensions one by one because some override CSS. Make sure your browser or YouTube app is up to date. Outdated builds can ignore theme flags. If issues remain, reset theme settings in YouTube and the browser or reinstall the app. Key tip: if something breaks, disable extensions first. That fixes most appearance problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.